Making the most of an acting workshop. 5 tips. When you're planning to attend an acting workshop, preparation is key. The more you prepare, the less nervous you'll be. You'll want to ensure you have the times down pat so you're not rushing and have something picked out to wear ahead of time. This way you can focus on getting ready to go without the added anxiety of feeling frazzled before you head out the door. It's also important to remember why you chose to attend the acting workshop to begin with. What about it did you feel would help you move your career forward? Perhaps there's a certain skill you wanted to hone, or the instructor is well known and it's a good networking opportunity. Whatever the case may be, make sure you actively participate in order to get the most out of your experience. Don't be afraid to speak up during the acting workshop. Participate in any role playing that's offered and tell others about yourself, your background, and your acting goals. If you have trouble opening up in your group, chances are it won't be as helpful. Take a deep breath and leave your reservations at the door. Workshops are all about doing just that, the work. They're a chance to be able to demonstrate and build upon your skills. If you're feeling extra nervous about the acting workshop, there's a few things you can do to get centered and lower your anxiety level before you walk through the door. Breathing and grounding exercises are excellent for helping alleviate stress. There are many ways to do these things, and you can look up various deep breathing and grounding exercises online. Or simply take 5 to 10 deep breaths before you enter the class, and while you're there, notice your feet on the floor, your back in a chair, or 5 things with you in the room. These are a few ways to calm racing thoughts and bring your mind back to the present. Another important thing to remember is that everyone else who signed up for the acting workshop is probably feeling the same way. It's not easy to get up in front of a crowd of people you don't know and give it your best shot performance-wise, especially when you know you're working on a skill for the very first time. Remember, everyone is there for the same general purpose, to improve. No one is expecting to take a class and not learn anything along the way. Workshops are a great way to learn something new and begin to build your repertoire of acting skills. The more range you have as an actor, the more likely you'll be busy getting booked and be able to make acting a full-time career. Acting itself is a continual learning process, and even Hollywood's A-list actors are constantly looking for opportunities to advance their skills. The more workshops you attend, the easier they'll get. Give each acting workshop your best and make sure to stay positive. You'll gain some great insight and probably get to know other emerging actors in the process. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.